Why vaccines need booster doses. Introduction. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and fight harmful viruses or bacteria without causing the disease. They help the body produce antibodies and memory cells that provide protection against future infections. However, this protection does not always last a lifetime. Why does immunity decrease? After vaccination, the level of protective antibodies gradually declines over time. Although memory B cells and T cells remain in the body, they may not respond quickly enough if antibody levels become too low. This can reduce protection against infection or severe illness. What is a booster dose? A booster dose is an additional vaccine dose given after the initial vaccination series. Its purpose is to remind the immune system about the pathogen, stimulating it to produce more antibodies and strengthen immune memory. Protection against new variants. Some viruses, such as influenza and SARS-CoV-2, change over time through mutations. These changes can make it harder for existing antibodies to recognize the virus. Updated booster doses can improve protection against newer variants. Booster doses are especially important for older adults, people with weakened immune systems, healthcare workers, and others at higher risk of exposure or severe disease. For some vaccines, boosters are also recommended for the general population after a certain period. Examples of vaccines that require boosters. Several vaccines require booster doses to maintain long-term protection. Examples include tetanus, diphtheria, pertussis, whooping cough, influenza, annual vaccination, COVID-19 for some groups, and hepatitis B in certain situations. Benefits of booster doses. Booster vaccinations increase antibody levels, improve immune memory, reduce the risk of severe disease and hospitalization, and help maintain community protection by limiting the spread of infectious diseases. Conclusion. Booster doses are an important part of many vaccination programs. They help maintain strong and long-lasting immunity, especially when protection naturally decreases over time or when infectious organisms evolve. Following recommended vaccination schedules helps keep both individuals and communities protected. Follow, like, and subscribe. BioEnigma X. Jivesh.